This is the perfect men's white button-down Oxford shirt. So we received this as a gift so that my son could wear it and try it out and show you what it looks like. And it is a perfect fit. So let's get close here. So this is a nice white kind of Oxford style. It's got the button-down collar, and it's also got a little bit of a cool gray and white, or kind of it's almost like a dark blue and white detail on the inside of the collar with the pocket, of course. And let's see the cuff. And that's what the cuff looks like. So let's see what the back looks like. And the back looks nice, really a lot too. So I believe he is 6'4", is that correct? And you weigh
200 pounds.
200 pounds. He's wearing a size large, which is an exact perfect fit for him. It looks really nice and fitted. He's got it on with a pair of khakis, belted khakis, but he could, put a blazer over the top of this. It would be perfect for his job as a teacher. It's also perfect to wear to the office. So how does it feel?
Feels good. It's very comfortable. It's kind of thick, so on cold days it would work really, really well. Or on warm days you can just roll up the sleeves and it'll be nice and good.
That looks good too. All right, very good. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell button down below. Make sure that you comment so that you don't miss any videos just like this one.